Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I, Amir Hussain, once again welcome you after the completion of your examinations in this series of lectures. And I hope that you all are fine. And as you know that we have already taken up in the last YouTube lecture the fourth part of the fifth chapter, which is the reading mania. And about this reading mania, I have already discussed something, and today we are going to discuss further about this topic, that is reading mania. And in the earlier lecture I told you, if you will recall it, that reading mania means excitement, reading mania means the strong interest, it means mad race that developed in the Europe in the 17th and 18th century. And once again discuss I will discuss the earlier points about this topic. Actually, two developments took place. Two developments took place in Europe during 17th and 18th century. During 17th and 18th centuries, one development that was seen during the 17th and 18th centuries Europe was the literacy rate. That is, the literacy rate, it went high or it went up. लिटरेसी रेट बढ़ गई. ये पहली डेवलपमेंट देखी गई 17th century and 18th centuries यूरोप में. सेकंड, introduction of variety of printed material. Introduction of various varieties of printed literature या printed material. प्रिंटेड मटेरियल की बहुत सारी वेराइटीज जो है वो प्रिंट की गई 18th and 17th century यूरोप में. एंड दीज डेवलपमेंट्स टुक प्लेस. फर्स्ट डेवलपमेंट दैट टुक प्लेस, दैट्स लिटरेसी रेट जो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. इट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ द क्रिश्चियन मिशनरीज which I have told you earlier. It was because of the Christian missionaries, the various sects, the various schools the various schools of thought, the various sects that existed within the Christian church. They played very important role because these Christian missionaries, they spread or carried the education to the villages in the Europe by setting up the schools there. इन्होंने schools वहाँ पे establish किए, schools वहाँ पे जो है set up किए, and through these schools education was provided not only to the common people, but also especially to the peasants and artisans. Peasants and artisans were also given education. They received education with the hands of these Christian missionaries. And because of because of their efforts, because of the role played by these Christian missionaries, different Christian missionaries, because of this, the literacy rate, it went high. And it has been said that in the various parts of the Europe, this literacy rate went as high as the 60 to 80%. So this was the impact that this had. And Second thing is that because of this new, because of the new educated class, because as you know that now a large section of society, they became educated, they became literate because of their now interests. They got, or they are developed a strong interest among them for reading. उनके अंदर एक बहुत strong feeling, excitement जो है पैदा हो गई इस reading को लेकर. They started reading more and more books. They started a mad race for the book reading, because of which this situation, the developer, the this develop the developer in the Europe during 17th and 18th century, it came to be known as a reading mania. इसी को हम reading mania कहते हैं, जो ये develop हो गया during 17th and 18th century Europe in different parts. So this reading mania, with this reading mania, people started now, because of this literacy rate, now it went high. Now more people got educated, and now they started reading books, and now booksellers also started printing books. Printers now printed books. Printers produced large number of books. Now अब प्रिंटर्स ने भी बहुत सारी बुक्स जो है पब्लिश की, एंड in these books printers took the different interests of the people into consideration. लोगों के interests differ कर रहे थे, vary थे, and because of which new forms of popular literature it emerged, or it developed, it emerged, yes. And the new forms of popular literature. अब नया पॉपुलर लिटरेचर, पीपल गॉट नाउ न्यू कंटेंट, नया कंटेंट लोगों को पढ़ने के लिए मिला. नए कंटेंट्स जो है वो प्रिंट होने लगे. इन प्रिंट new forms of literature they came into being now, and because there was now a new class of audiences. अब नए audiences थे और इनके interests differ थे, और इसीलिए that's why in order to attract them towards the reading, the booksellers they printed varied forms of literature. So this was new development that happened in the Europe during 17th and 18th century. And among these booksellers, in order to meet the interests of now the large section of readership, a new section, we can say a new class of readership, which was very large, in order to fulfill their interests, now the booksellers now employed peddlers. Booksellers employed now peddlers, and who these peddlers were? These peddlers were the people who went on foot from village to village, from town to town, and फ्रॉम स्ट्रीट टू स्ट्रीट. ये पैदल जाते थे ये बुक सेलर्स, ये जो बुक सेलर्स ने एम्प्लॉय किए पैडलर्स, ये पैडलर्स फेरी वाले जिनको कहते हैं, ये नगर डगर डगर जो है, शहर गांव जो है, गली कोचे जो है, इन्होंने वो टच किए, वहां पे गए. एंड देयर व्हाई दे वेंट देयर? बिकॉज दे कैरीड little or small books with them, and these books were for sale. इनके पास इन बुक सेलर्स ने इनका सहारा लिया, इनकी मदद की ज़रूरत थी इन बुक सेलर्स को, और इन पेडलर्स ने भी जो है इनका साथ दिया. दीज पेडलर्स they carried small books, little books for sale, and they went in villages and they roamed around the villages. ये फेरते रहे हैं, चक्कर घूमते रहे हैं, चक्कर लगाते रहे गाँवों में, शहरों में, बाकी जहाँ पे भी. And so they played very important role in this reading mania that emerged in Europe. And among the new forms of literature that were printed, first important noun, the new content that came into being in this reading were the almanacs. Almanacs were yearly like calendars. ये yearly जैसे calendars होते थे. And in these almanacs, a large these almanacs, they contained very important information. They carried very valuable information about the astronomical data. एस्ट्रोनॉमी के रिलेटेड जो है ये इंफॉर्मेशन देते थे. दे प्रोवाइडेड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द एस्ट्रोनॉमी. व्हाट इज एस्ट्रोनॉमी है? अबाउट एस्ट्रोनॉमी के रिलेटेड, और यू कैन से एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल डेटा इनमें होता था. They contained astronomical data. That is the information related with the movements of sun and moon. सन और मून के बारे में, कब सन मूव करेगा, कब मून मूव करेगी, ये सब कुछ इनमें इसके रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन इस एल्मेनाक में थी, एल्मेनाक्स में थी, जो ईयरली कैलेंडर्स जैसे होते थे. आल्सो टाइमिंग ऑफ फुल टाइड्स, कब फुल टाइड्स जो है उनकी टाइमिंग क्या रहेगी, कब वो आएंगे. एंड आल्सो इक्लिप्सिस जो है, कब सूरज पे ग्रहण लग जाएगा. एवरीथिंग वाज डिस्कस्ड इन दीज almanacs. So these almanacs were very important for the people, and these are very important. Also, besides these almanacs, ritual calendars were also published. There were also ritual calendars. Ritual calendars भी होते थे. What are these ritual calendars? ये ritual calendars जो है, they contained information about the rituals, about the festivals. Festivals के related जो है, religious ceremonies के related information जो थी, किस मंथ में कौन सा फेस्टिवल किस दिन पे आता है, ये सब कुछ इन कैलेंडर्स में जो है, रिचुअल कैलेंडर्स में दिया गया था. और दीज रिचुअल कैलेंडर्स दे वर नाउ प्रिंटेड, इनको भी प्रिंट किया गया. एंड बिसाइड्स देम देयर वर आल्सो बैलड्स एंड फोक टेल्स वर आल्सो प्रिंटेड. फोक टेल्स और बैलड्स को भी अब जो है, शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, द हिस्टोरिकल अकाउंट्स, mystical stories, mythical stories, everything was these new forms of literature. They come under the new forms of literature. They were now published. They were now printed. इनको अब print किया गया जो है, in order to attract the people, in order to these were new contents which people got because of the race for reading. Also in England peddlers employed by the booksellers came to be known as chapmen. इंग्लैंड में भी जो है बुक सेलर्स ने पेडलर्स को एम्प्लॉय किया, पेडलर्स की मदद ली, पेडलर्स को बोला गया कि आप गाँव में जो है, शहरों में, गाँव में जाओ इन बुक्स को लेकर. एंड देयर इन इंग्लैंड दीज पेडलर्स केम टू बी नोन एज चैपमैन. इनको चैपमैन कहा जाता था, चैपमैन. व्हाई चैपमैन? बिकॉज दीज पेडलर्स they carried with them penny chap books. इनके पास penny chap books होती थी. They carried with them penny chap books. Since these people, these peddlers called chapmen, since they carried with them penny chap books, they came to be known as chapmen. इसीलिए इनको chapman कहा जाता था. Otherwise, they are petty peddlers. Otherwise ये small peddlers, छोटे छोटे peddlers थे, फेरी वाले थे. और इनके साथ बुक्स जो होती थी उनको हम penny chap books कहते थे. Why penny chap books? Because these chap books, penny chap books, they were sold for penny. इनको इनकी कीमत जो है, they were very cheap. ये चीप थे, बहुत सस्ते थे, और इनकी कीमत यही पैनी होती थी. इनका पैसा, 1 पैसा 2 पैसे, यही इनकी कीमत होती थी. That's why these penny chapbooks, they were preferred by the poor people, the poor section of the society. Since they had not enough money, they have, therefore, in order to attract them towards this new reading that developed, reading mania, and new this material, reading material was published for them, and that was penny chap books. उनको हम penny chap books कहते हैं, ताकि ये poor लोग जो है, these penny chap books, they were always bought by the poor people, because poor people don't have enough money. उनके पास sufficient money, पैसे नहीं होते थे, इसीलिए इनको कुछ ही पैसों में जो है बेच दिया जाता था इन penny chap books को. In the same way as in this England, in France also small, in France, low priced small books were printed. In France, low priced small books were printed. फ्रांस में भी एक, जब रीडिंग मैनिया डेवलप हो गया, वहां पे भी छोटी छोटी किताबें जो है लो प्राइस्ड पे, बहुत कम, दे वर अवेलेबल एट चीप रेट्स, दे वर सोल्ड एट चीप रेट्स, वो बहुत कम कीमत पे मिलती थी, वो प्रिंट की गई. And these low priced small books which were printed, they came to be known as bibliothèque blue books. इनको bibliothèque blue books कहा गया. Why bibliothèque blue books? Because these books also were wrapped. These were wrapped in ब्लू कवर, इनका कवर जो है बाहर से वो भी ब्लू कलर का होता था। एंड दीज स्मॉल साइज्ड books, low priced books, they were printed on a poor quality paper. इनको बेच दिया गया, इनको प्रिंट किया गया जो पुअर क्वालिटी पेपर होता था, वो जो जिसको हम कहते हैं सबसे घटिया पेपर, सबसे घटिया कागज जो है उसी पे इनको प्रिंट किया गया, सो दैट people can also, poor people, those people who had no access to reading, so that they can also get access to them, they can buy them easily. And so these were the new developments that happened, and these whether these were the chapbooks or the bibliothek blue books, these were, as I told you, low priced books, and their paper quality was also poor, and their cover was this, and they were this sold at very low prices, cheap prices. And these, whether they were chap books or they were bibliothek blue books, their contents differ. Some contained romantic, some had romantic content, some had romances, कुछ में romances दिखाए गए, इनमें हम romantic स्टोरियां जो है प्रिंट की गई इनमें. And these chapbooks or bibliothek books, these were printed usually, these were printed on 4 to 5 pages. ये 4 to 5 pages जो है आमतौर पे ऐसे ही होते थे, 4 to 6 pages. These were printed on 4 to 6 pages. ये 4 से 6 pages वाले जो है पेजेस पर होते थे ये रोमांटिक स्टोरियाँ. ये जो रोमांटिक स्टोरियाँ इन चैप बुक्स की या इन बिलियोथेक बुक्स की होती थी, वो 4 से 6 जो है पेजेस पे होती थी. रोमांसेस उनमें दिखाए जाते थे. एंड some also contained this stories about पास्ट के बारे में, वो स्टोरियां, कहानियां जो है जिनको हम हिस्ट्रीज कहते थे, they are called histories. So the new forms of literature, they developed with the reading mania in Europe, and these were printed now, like these bibliothek books which were printed in France. In the same way in England, chap books were printed. These were low priced books. These were available at cheap rates, and this content differs. Some contained these romances, and these chapbooks or whether it were the chapbooks or whether it were the bibliothek books, these were usually printed on 4 to 6 pages, depending upon the topic or content. And not only this, periodical press, it also developed in early 18th century. In early 18th century में एक और डेवलपमेंट हो गई, that was periodical press डेवलप हो गया. And this periodical press, it contained information about the current affairs. इनमें करंट अफेयर के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन होती थी. एंड आल्सो दे आल्सो कंटेन्ड दिस एंटरटेनिंग स्टोरीज. इनमें एंटरटेनमेंट्स के लिए जो है एंटरटेनिंग स्टोरीज, एंटरटेनमेंट्स के लिए भी इनमें जगह मिली इन पीरियोडिकल प्रेस में. ये जो पीरियोडिकल प्रेस डेवलप हुआ, ये जो कुछ टाइम के लिए ये प्रेस डेवलप हो गया, पीरियोडिक सीजनल प्रेस जिसको हम कहते हैं, कुछ भी खास पीरियड के लिए जो डेवलप हो गया अर्ली 18th सेंचुरी में। इसने कंबाइन किया, इट कंबाइन टू टाइप्स ऑफ कंटेंट्स। वन इज करंट अफेयर्स, इसने दो तरह के कंटेंट्स को जो है कंबाइन किया, एक करंट अफेयर्स, और करंट अफेयर्स के साथ साथ इसमें एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए जो है एंटरटेनिंग कंटेंट भी इसमें रखा गया। एंड इन द सेम वे न्यूज़पेपर एंड journals, they were also printed. Newspapers and journals were also printed, and this was the period, if you will recall, this was the period when Europe was this grimmed with, the situation of Europe was grim, and in Europe many wars were fought, and these newspapers and journals, these were printed, and in them the information, these contained information about wars and ट्रेड और वार के जो है लिए जो इंफॉर्मेशन होती थी, रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन होती थी, द इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू ट्रेड एंड वार्स, इट वाज नाउ प्रिंटेड थ्रू द journals and newspapers. People got this information, in detailed information about these wars, कौन से जंग कब हुए, क्या हुए, किसके बीच हुआ, उसमें किसको विक्ट्री मिली, क्यों हुई, क्या हुई, वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जो है, कितने डिस्ट्रक्शन हो गई, कितनी उसमें जो है डैमेजेस हो गए, कितनी कैजुअलिटीज हो गई, वो सारा कुछ जो है इंफॉर्मेशन न्यूज़पेपर्स के थ्रू। और न्यूज़पेपर्स में बहुत सारे कंटेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारे पेज न्यूज़पेपर्स के लिए रखे गए, और इसी तरह जनरल्स जो है पब्लिश किए गए जिनमें इंफॉर्मेशन लोगों को दी गई। एंड आल्सो नाउ पीपल गॉट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द न्यू डेवलपमेंट्स, न्यूज़ ऑफ डेवलपमेंट्स, लोगों को अब न्यूज़ मिल गई, खबर मिल गई ऑफ डेवलपमेंट्स इन अदर प्लेसेस एज वेल, द डेवलपमेंट्स दैट टुक प्लेस इन अदर प्लेसेस, जो डेवलपमेंट्स, जो तरक्कियां बाकी सारे शहरों में, बाकी सारे मुल्कों में, द डेवलपमेंट्स that took place in various countries of Europe or outside Europe even. Now Europe got connected with it through the newspapers, and newspapers provided them information about the new developments, whether that development was related to science and technology, that development was related to the art, culture, or politics, society, economy, or any other thing. Now people got this authentic information about the various countries, about the various areas, about various places through these newspapers and journals. Besides these newspapers and journals, now people also were exposed, common people were exposed, or common masses, they got now, common people now got exposed to the ideas of scientists and philosophers. Now common people got access towards the ideas of scientists and philosophers. आम लोग जो थे उनको अब एक्सेस मिली, किसके लिए? आम लोगों को इससे पहले एक्सेस नहीं थी, आम लोगों को पता ही नहीं था कौन सा जो है साइंटिस्ट, कौन सा साइंस में कौन सा साइंटिस्ट जो है या उनके आइडियाज क्या है, उनकी सोच विचार क्या है, उन साइंटिस्ट्स की, फिलोसफर्स की सोच विचार क्या है, ये लोगों को पता ही नहीं था। नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीडिंग मैनिया, इस रीडिंग मैनिया की वजह से नाउ अनदर न्यू कंटेंट वाज to which people got access was the ideas of scientists and philosophers. People got exposed to the ideas of these scientists and philosophers more and more. And now ancient and medieval scientific texts, they were compiled and published. ये जो आइडियाज थे साइंटिस्ट्स के, कौन सा, ये जो आइडियाज थे फिलासफर्स के, इनके मिडीवल और एंशिएंट टाइम्स में कौन सी साइंटिफिक टेक्स्ट्स थी, what are the various different what are the different or various this texts which were compiled which were on, or which were which were written on the science, on the science related developments in the ancient and medieval Europe. These texts were now compiled, उनको जमा किया गया, उनको compile किया गया, and now they were given a written form, they were given a printed form, that is they were published. Now people got access to these scientific texts now, which were written earlier during the medieval and ancient periods. Not only this, now with them people also got the maps, the scientific diagrams, scientific diagrams, they were also printed. Science related जो developments हुई थी, whether that was related to geography, geography में कौन सी development हुई थी, seas को लेकर ये जो geography है, demography, बाकी चीज़ें जो है, science में कौन सी developments हुई थी, कौन सी technology, what are the development that had already taken place during the ancient and medieval period, of which the mention was made of in these scientific texts written during the ancient and medieval Europe. Now these were published and people got access to them, and people now got people started reading about the various scientists, and in those scientists mention may be made of the Isaac Newton. Now the ideas of the Isaac Newton, who this Isaac Newton was, and what were his different ideas, what were his theories, different laws related to the motion or other things which he had of which he had given a well-known his ideas. इसके आइडियाज क्या थे, इसकी सोच विचार क्या थी, इसके थेरीज क्या थे, वो सब कुछ जो है उसको अब पब्लिश किया गया. All that was printed and people now started reading about them. How this Isaac Newton, how he discovered various laws,